Six armed men walked out of Allied Bank's II Chandigarh Road branch in Karachi bright and early with a staggering 300 million rupees worth of foreign currency. Bank management has registered a case with area police against six men, including one of their own security guards named Shahid Mahmood. However, upon later inspection, it was revealed that SPS Securities had not completed a background check or even looked at his real NIC card. One of the guards, named Shahid, belonging to a private security firm, came here on the pretext of taking over shift. At that time, shifts are changed here. He had the guards open this gate, whereupon five other armed men entered with him and overpowered the guards who were already present. Three guards who were on duty at the time were tied up. The victims freed themselves hours later and informed police. In a bizarre twist, one of the guards protecting the bank revealed that a bag was left behind by the robbers. CCPO Wasim Ahmed told DawnNews that the recovered gunny bag contains 45,000 euros, roughly 5.5 million rupees.
वो एक बैंक का गार्ड सिक्योरिटी कंपनी का जो यहाँ पर था वो मुलजमान के साथ मुलव्वस था और जो बाकी बैंक के दूसरे गार्ड थे उन्होंने वेरीफाई किया है कि he was fully and actively involved into the crime. हमारे पास उसका तमाम डाटा है and we are working on it.
The license of the private security company has been cancelled and investigations are still ongoing. However, no arrests have been made so far. This may have been the biggest robbery on Allied Bank, but it is not the first. Robbers have been lining up outside Allied Bank locations for a while now. On August 1st, six armed men made off with 1.3 million rupees from Allied's Al Falah branch, leaving behind three injured, including one police officer. In October, 3.5 million was stolen from the Gulbahar branch. Only one arrest took place. The CID discovered the man was linked to both the Tehreek-e-Taliban and infamous Liari gangsters. In November, they struck again at the Nazmabad branch, making off with 1.6 million rupees.
This was nothing of alarming thing which could alarm us that we should change this company or something else. And as you have heard that they have already cancelled the license of this company, so we are deploying to some other company.
This gives rise to questions as to why the bank did not change its security provider earlier, as relations between the Allied Bank and SPS Securities were only severed last night. Mubin Nasir, Dawn News, Karachi.